So you want to begin to add textures and shaders. To do that, you need a good working method, and that's to set up your screen properly so you're able to do lots of things at the same time and see lots of things. So I've just got a demonstration here, and now you see here on the right you have your attribute editor. The first thing I'm going to open is if I go Window and Render Editors, I'm going to get Hypershade open. This is where the magic happens. This is a Hypershade window. So I'm just going to place that in the middle here. On the left you have your different types of surfaces and textures. If I click here, I have all of them available. These are called nodes. So you can see here are the ones that are being used already, or that I've made already, and this is a work area. So for example, if I click here on one of the nodes, this is a blim, you can see the properties of player up here, and in Attribute Editor, this is where you edit it to make it look how you want. And this blim has a small shine on it. So yeah, you have inputs and outputs. You're basically creating a small network of different sort of attributes that you add to the blim. Okay, you can also edit that over here too. So I can just input things on top. So for transparency, I can add something else, perhaps this, and you can see how that looks. Oops. Like that. I have this small sort of network that I'm creating to create these textures, and you have a preview as well. So I also have that here. I can change, so I can change things up a bit. Okay, so that's the basics. What you'll also need is to open up Window Render Editor's Render View. Render View is what it's really going to look like. So here in the background you have a preview. And actually we can't see that very well, so what we can do is Panels, tear off a copy. So that is just the actual perspective view, and you can see it acts the same, it's just a smaller version. So down here this is Render View. In here you get a preview about what a texture could look like, but in here you see how it actually really looks. This is to go faster, and you're making a 2D version that your computer can handle with that information. Okay, so that is setting up your screen to actually begin working. You haven't even begun working yet.